Welcome to AutoNova, your go-to source for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the all-new 2026 Lexus S. Lexus has always positioned the S as a comfortable, stylish, and reliable option in the premium midsize sedan segment. And with this new 2026 model, they're refining the formula even further with a fresh design, enhanced tech, and performance upgrades that make this a serious contender for anyone looking for luxury without going overboard. The first thing that grabs your attention is the new design. Lexus has managed to evolve the ES's aesthetic without losing its identity. The front grille is more integrated into the body and less polarizing than before, with cleaner lines and a more premium feel. Sleeker LED headlamps now come with Lexus's adaptive lighting technology, offering both style and improved nighttime visibility. Along the sides, the car's silhouette remains elegant, but sharper character lines and new alloy wheel options give it a more dynamic and athletic stance. At the rear, the changes are subtle but effective. A new LED light bar that spans the width of the car and reshaped bumpers give the S a broader, more planted appearance. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 ES will continue to offer multiple engine choices, including a fuel-efficient hybrid variant and a powerful V6. The S350 comes with a 3.5-liter V6 pushing out close to 302 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. The hybrid version, likely badged as the S300H, is expected to get a refined version of the 2.5-liter inline-4 with electric motor assist, providing excellent fuel economy for those who prioritize efficiency. Lexus may also introduce a new plug-in hybrid option, as part of their broader push toward electrification. Driving the ES has always been about comfort and refinement, and that remains unchanged. The 2026 model features an upgraded suspension system that delivers a smoother, more composed ride. Even on uneven roads, the S glides effortlessly, keeping cabin vibrations to a minimum. The steering has been recalibrated for more responsiveness, especially in F-Sport trims, which also get sportier suspension tuning and paddle shifters for a more engaging drive. Inside the cabin, Lexus has taken things up a notch. The materials are top-tier, soft touch panels, real wood trim, and new leather options that add a touch of sophistication. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, dominated by a new 14-inch high-resolution touchscreen that replaces the older, less intuitive interface. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and cloud-connected features. A digital gauge cluster and an optional head-up display give drivers all the information they need without distraction. Passenger comfort is a major strength of the S, and that continues with the 2026 model. Front seats are plush and supportive, with available heating, ventilation, and memory functions. Rear seat legroom is generous, making this a great option for those who often travel with passengers. Sound insulation has been improved as well, delivering an even quieter ride, perfect for long commutes or road trips. Safety is front and center, as expected from Lexus. The 2026 S comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and more. There's also an optional 360-degree camera system, enhanced blind spot monitoring, and a new driver attention monitor that alerts you if it senses drowsiness or distraction. Lexus hasn't released official pricing yet, but early estimates suggest the base model will start around $45,000. Higher trims with more features or hybrid drivetrains may go up to the mid-$50,000 range. Given the level of craftsmanship, technology, and reliability packed into this car, the value proposition is strong, especially when compared to rivals like the Audi A6, BMW 5 Series, or Mercedes E-Class. The 2026 Lexus S doesn't try to be the sportiest or the flashiest sedan in its class. What it offers is a serene, elegant, and technology-rich experience that appeals to drivers who want luxury and peace of mind. Whether you're upgrading from an older S or stepping into the Lexus lineup for the first time, this model makes a very compelling case. Thanks for watching AutoNova. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and previews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know, Would you pick the new Lexus S over its German rivals? We'd love to hear what you think.